Sabi ni Queen, anyari.
Anyari guys, nasan yung mga kaibigan niyo?
Hindi kayo yung kaibigan ko.
Later ko na yan.
Participants from the elementary department, narito na po ba, Teacher Chari? Asan si Teacher Chari? Teachers, paki-assist po.
Per level ba ito sila? Oo. Kat nila. Isa wala sa net.
And now, as second contestant, let's give a big round of applause to our kinder students. First contestant is the on stage, Yuan Shanaki Tuloso and Nancy Johnson. Alright, the second contestant, Natalia Astrid Ricardo Yajanisho and Sophia Germany. And now let's go on our third contestant, Rojas Dovior Malaysia as Mari Fury.
Thank you so much, Kinder and Kinder. Next, let's bring on our grade 1 students with curious minds of some exciting experiments and discoveries to share with us.
Alright, let's welcome the first contestant. Alright,
Mainit kasi.
Next, we have Rodriguez as Isaac Newton.
Wala silang ganyan.
kinder level, we have Shaira Faith Diwa, portrayed Nancy Johnson.
Panalo sila apat.
And for our popularity vote winner for the kinder level, we have Shaira Faith Diwa. She portrayed Nancy Johnson. Congratulations to our kinder level winners. Next, we have our grade 1. Starting with our third placers, we have a tie.
Lahat sila panalo.
Marquis Joseph Pierre Jackson and Nigella Aurora D. Laudato. Marquis Johnson, he portrayed Thomas Alpha Edison, and Nigella Aurora Laudato, she portrayed Mary Curie.
Kaya nga eh. Pinapakita niya. Very good! Hey.
And our champion is none other than Sabrina Louise.
Hi, I'm Nancy Johnson, and I invented the first ever homemade ice cream maker. Did you know? Before my invention, ice cream was made using the pot freezer metal. It was expensive, very hard to make. That's my invention, the artificial freezer or the hand crank ice cream shine. Let's make ice cream using my invention. First, put the ice cream mixture in the big wooden bucket with a metal container inside. Second, add ice and salt around the bucket to keep it cold. Third, use a special handle to turn the paddle inside the metal container. Fourth, mix the ice cream so it became smooth and creamy. As of my invention, ice cream could be made faster, easier, and more affordable for everyone. Thank you. Yummy, 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 yummy.